All right, so we got the Babyliss Pro Deep Tooth T-Blade. It's the exact same one I bought before. This one has gotten dull, so I have to remove it from the Babyliss shaver and install this new one. And it's basically the exact same one, and I'm gonna need a Phillips head. So let's do this. All right, step one, let's get it out of the package, which requires some scissors. Ow. All right, here's our blade. I don't want to like drop it, or, you know, you want to make sure you keep it, like you don't want to drop this on the ground because that will screw it up. So let's set it right there for now. We'll get rid of our packaging. All right, so you need to find one that's small enough. This one's head's too big, so I thought it would work, but all right, so I found a smaller one. Put it right in there. You don't want to screw up your threads. So what I have to do is turn it counterclockwise. So I'm twisting it counterclockwise to loosen it. We'll loosen both of them. Get it in there first. Make sure you're in there so you don't strip it. And then twist it. And we're going counterclockwise, as you can see. Just like that. And then I should be able to go ahead and pull these little screws out. There we go. See how long they are? Pretty long, right? This one should almost be done. I'm going to hold it with my thumb. There we go. See, that's magnetic. That's really a good screwdriver because it's magnetic. Now when I pull this off, watch. See that? So just so you know, this little thing right there slips in that little hole there. And so it's, that's basically how you put it on. So now we've got our two screws, right? And we don't want to drop this, so we want to hold them with both fingers like this. And then what we've got to do is get that little thing in the hole there, and then try to kind of set the screws. Once we've done that, we can get on there with our screwdriver and just get a little bit, twist it in. I'm going clockwise now. You see that? Almost got that one in. And I'm not going super tight. I'm just trying to get it in there. There we go. Now I can tighten this one down a little bit more. I'm just going to give it a little twist. And I think we're good, right? Let's try it out, see if it works. So I'm going to press this forward to try it out. See how those little teeth right here move? And I think we're good. It's on there pretty stable. I think we did a pretty good job on that. And all right, now you can go ahead and shave your beard. Yeah, let me show you this one here. The key thing is I'm going to set it that way so it doesn't get screwed up. But this is the bottom of it. And there's your screws, go through there, and that right there is where that little thing goes. Now I think what happens is this plastic gets worn a little bit, and that kind of screws it up, and that's why you have to replace these heads every once in a while. But now we got a new head on it, we should be ready to go. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.